I'm Delmisa Lago, the Mayor English Education Department. A preposition is a word that indicates the relationship between a noun and the other words of a sentence. They explain the relationship of sequence, space, and logic between the object of the sentence and the rest of the sentence. They help us understand order, time connection, and possession. For example, Number 1, I am going to Canada. Number 2, Alex threw a stone into the pond. Number 3, the present is inside the box. Number 4, they have gone out of the town. Types of preposition. Most of the prepositions have many uses. There are some prepositions which are common in every type of preposition as they function in a versatile way. Number 1, preposition of time. Number 2, preposition of place and direction. Number 3, preposition of against or thing. Number 4, phrasal preposition. The first time, preposition of time. Preposition of time show the relationship of time between the nouns to other parts of a sentence. On, at, in, from, to, for, since, ago, before, till or until, by, and actually are the most common preposition of time. For example, he started working at 10 a.m. Number 2, the company called meeting on 24 October. There is a holiday in December. Number 4, he has been ill since Monday. Number 2, preposition of place and direction. Preposition of place show the relationship of place between the nouns to the other parts of a sentence. On, at, in, by, from, to, towards, up, down, across, between, among, through, in front of, behind, above, over, under, below, and actually are the most common preposition of place or direction. For example, number 1, he is at home. Number 2, he came from England. Number 3, the police broke into the house. Number 4, I live across the river. Preposition of against or things. Preposition of against or things indicate a causal relationship between nouns and other parts of the sentence. Of, for, by, with, about, and actually are the most used and common preposition of against or things. For example, this article is about smartphones. 2. Most of the guests have already left. Number 3, I will always be here for you. Number 4, he is playing with his brothers. Number 4, phrasal preposition. A phrasal preposition is not a prepositional phrase, but they are a combination of 2 or more words which function as a preposition. Along with, apart from, because of, by means of, according to, in front of, contrary to, in spite of, on account of, in reference to, in addition to, in regard to, instead of, on top of, out of, with regard to, and actually are the most common phrasal prepositions. For example, number 1, they along with their children went to Atlanta. Number 2, according to the news rules, you are not right. Number 3, in spite of being a good player, he was not selected. Number 4, I'm going out of the city.